Hey guys, Lincoln here from bullacademy.org. Today I want to take some time to say thank you to everyone who has taken the time to watch these videos, to subscribe to this channel, and engage with me on this journey that we're taking to learn how to invest and build wealth for the long term. In the last month, we've published 22 videos on how to invest in the stock market the right way. And you all have spent over 2,000 hours watching those videos and engaging with me. I want to say thank you for that. And we've registered over 30,000 views on those videos. And to the 200 of you who have enjoyed these videos so much that you've chosen to subscribe to this channel, to the bullacademy.org, I want to say a very special thank you. Right? We have a long journey ahead of us. There's going to be a lot more to learn and a lot more to cover. And along the way, while learning a lot, we're going to make some mistakes, right? Investing is not a straight line. So we're going to have ups and downs. We're going to make the wrong calls. We're going to choose the wrong stock. We're going to miss out on some opportunities. But so long as we practice the bull mentality, we're going to end up on top. The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in. And we hold for the long term. That is how we give ourselves the best chance at success in the stock market. We don't day trade. We don't try to get rich quick, right? We don't flip stocks. That's not how you win in the stock market. That's how you increase your chances of losing all your money in one fell swoop. By trying to get rich quick. We do the opposite on this channel, right? We understand what we invest in and we plan to hold those investments for the long term to benefit from all the incentives that the government set up for us, right? Long-term capital gains tax rates, right? Super low. The government wants us to hold our investments for the long term. So long as we do that, we are doing what the government wants us to do. They want us to make the right choices, pick great companies that we believe are going to win, and give them the funds they need to build their future, to achieve their mission, their goals, right? And that creates a better society for all of us if we're picking companies that we believe in and we want to see in this world. Not by trying to game the system. The system is already a game. All we have to do is play it right. And if you play it right, you have a great chance of winning. So we've covered a lot on this channel. And because of that, in 3 weeks, we reached over 100 subscribers. And since then, we've continued to cover even more topics and more news from the stock market. We covered the Kodak hype. Everyone jumped on the Kodak bandwagon. And we saw what happened when people were trying to chase quick gains by buying based solely on their fear of missing out. Right? They bought on the way up and then saw their gains disappear overnight when the hype died down, right? Because the sudden growth of Kodak was based on hype, right? Just hype. Next, we covered stock warrants. We learned how to use warrants to acquire common stocks below market value. From there, we covered the Microsoft and TikTok potential acquisition, right? The potential merger of TikTok with Microsoft because, of course, Trump wants to ban the company because of their ties to China. From there, we covered what your monthly investment budget should be. That the general guideline is that you invest at least 10 to 15% of your monthly income consistently, right? You buy the highs, you buy the lows, and over time, it averages out. And because you've invested consistently over the long term, you benefit from the appreciation of your assets over that time. Right? You're not the person who's going to sit out on the sideline and say, I'm waiting for the bottom, because you can't time the market. That's a losing strategy. So you invest consistently up and down every month, and you benefit from your time in the market and the appreciation of the value of your assets. And then we covered opportunity cost, which is the value of the alternative choice that you miss out on by choosing something else. The concept of opportunity cost is very important to understand because that will be how you choose the best investments, right? How do you choose between two companies that you want to invest in? How do you choose between investing in stocks or real estate, right? How do you choose between investing in stocks or assets over saving your money, right? opportunity cost is going to come up over and over again. So you have to understand why it's so important, right? That something that you don't choose can cost you. And finally, in the last few weeks, we've covered more news on FMCI and Tattoo Chef, and we have a lot more to come from here. So thank you for taking your time to watch these videos and being here, taking this journey with me, right? We're going to continue to learn how to build our wealth over time. We're going to continue to learn how to change our mindset and change our net worth, right? And we're going to learn why access to money is more important than how much cash you have in your bank account, right? It's all about your mindset. So thank you again. And remember to always practice the bull mentality, right? The bull mentality is that we know what we invest in. We understand what we invest in. We believe in what we invest in, and we hold for the long term, because that is how we build wealth in this country. So thank you again for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, remember to like this video below, subscribe to the channel, comment what you've learned, what you would like to learn in the future, and I hope to see you in the next video. So again, thank you and have a great day.